Hello and welcome back. It's been a while. Now, while I'm trying to put one or two things together, on this channel, I saw a particular video that I felt that I need to react to. So this person talked about, the earnings of content creators, and he shared his own personal opinion. So I would like us to watch this video. After it, then I will share my thought about it.
There's money in content creation is how your favorite content creators have deceived you. Most of them are doing government propaganda, money laundering, or they are being paid by brands that have no integrity. Most of the time when you see these people on social media with their millions of views, it is farmed. It's literally bought. Look at some of their followers and likes and you'll see Indian people in there, Indian names. People need to realize that I am not here to call anybody names or call anyone out. I'm just here to tell you that if you think by creating content you are going to buy a Benz, you have another thing coming. If you think content is going to lead to a mansion in Ikoyi, you are deceiving yourself. If you think content is going to take you on trips around the world, you are an 𝗨𝗲𝗀. Nigerian accounts cannot create as much revenue as accounts in the US, UK, and in Europe. It is just not possible. Stop falling for their lies.
Wow, this is interesting. Although, in my own opinion, I think he's talking from a place of ignorance, because if you have worked with top creators, not even top creators, because I'm going to share an example. I'm going to show you a channel with over 100,000 subscribers and a channel with about 20,000 subscribers, and you see what they are earning on YouTube. What they are actually earning on YouTube. So before I will share that, let me just even share my video with the highest view on this channel. This video currently has over 277,000 views, and you can see the revenue. It got 277 views with over $2,000. Now, when you go to the audience part, you see that most of the audience are from outside Nigeria. Like 14% of the audience are outside Nigeria. Now, what you need to understand, many people always make this mistake, and the video we just watched now from this guy is also sharing the same mistake. Where you make your videos will not determine how much you are going to earn or how much you are going to earn from your monetization. If you're in Nigeria and you make content that people from the Western countries, would be interested to watch, you make more money than someone that is based in the US, making content that only Africans or people from developing economies are watching. You get the point. So where you make your videos don't necessarily matter. Whether you have a Nigerian channel, because some creators do ask me that should they change the country of their YouTube channel, would that have any impact? It won't. Your content is only what that will make you the money. If you make content in low-paying niches, definitely you are not going to earn much. However, if you have large views, if you have many views, a lot of views, that is hundreds of thousands of views or even millions of views, that could make you earn very big. But if you're earning just 1,000 views, 10,000 views, all that from a low-paying niche or a low CPM niche, definitely you won't make that much. Also, if you're making content in high-paying niche, you don't need so much views to make a lot of money. Although you need a lot of views so that you can also make much money. Now, let me share with you two channels I've been enjoying their kind of content recently. Like this guy 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁, he has over 114,000 subscribers on his channel. He have uploaded over 580 videos on his channel currently. And if you can see here, right here, you can see that 𝗕𝗲𝘀𝘁 says that this channel is earning between $4,000 and $12,000 now. And if you check, his average video length is about 13 minutes, and he uploads approximately 11 videos every week. Now, from this, you can tell that this guy, let's even assume he's earning the minimum, that is $4,000 monthly. He's making it big. You get the point. But I know it earns more than that, because if you check from other analytics on his channel, you can see that over 99% of his views are from long form content. So it's making most of his views, short, almost all his views are from long form content, and his videos are mostly very long videos. Like if you check here, you see that 23 minutes, 13 minutes, just very few you can see that are less, 33 minutes, 28 minutes. So I've gone through his channel and most of his videos are over 15 minutes long. So he is earning from vidIQ. vidIQ suggests that he's earning minimum of $4,000 and it can be earning as much as $12,000 every month. So let me show you the second channel. All these two channels are based in Nigeria. This channel has 20,000 subscribers, and when you check vidIQ suggests that he's earning between $1,800 to $5,500. Okay, let's just say, for example, he's just earning 1,008. Let's just assume the minimum, and you can see from here his average video length is 5.9 minutes, and his frequency, he uploads 42 videos per week. So you can imagine he's earning, let me just say he's earning $2,000 every month from his channel, and he's uploading 42 videos every week. And what could have caused this is probably that he's making, most of his videos are very short. He makes short videos. You can see most of his videos barely hit 8 minutes. Most of his videos barely hit 8 minutes. For him to make this up to $1,800 is because almost 99% of his views are from long form content. However, the long form contents are very short, but they will still make more money than a typical YouTube short. So you can see that these guys are making thousands of dollars monthly from their YouTube channel, and they are based in Nigeria. So anyone that tells you that content creators are not making it, or if they are flaunting their flashy cars or their big mansions, that is, well, in every community there's always the bad eggs, but you can't use the activities of the bad eggs and assume that all the people in the community are all the same. I've worked with hundreds of creators in the past years, and I'm opportune to see what they're earning. They're earning massively. Even some of them are based right here in Nigeria. So if anyone is telling you that you cannot make money from being a content creator in this age, just know that that person is saying that out of jealousy. Probably they've tried it and it didn't work for them. But I've seen many creators that are making it in hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars. And one good thing about creating content in Nigeria or Africa in general is that if you're a content creator, you earn in dollars and you spend in your local currency. So it even makes your living standards affordable, because they earn foreign currency and then you spend in your local currency. So in all, I don't encourage content creators that are making it large right now to just spend on liabilities like spending on flashy cars or building unnecessarily big mansions. It's always wise that you invest. Like, I believe that these two channels I've shared with you, the two creators, the owners of these channels, I'm very sure, because I've watched their videos recently, and I can see from their philosophy they believe in investment. So if you're a content creator and you are making hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars, buying the latest phone, iPhone shouldn't be your priority. Getting the latest flashy car in town, it shouldn't be your priority. Or building an unnecessary mansion that that you are going to only sleep in one room at the end of the day shouldn't be your priority. Invest, because everybody or everything in life has a season. So it could be your season of plenty. So whatever you are making, you need to plan ahead for the future. Enjoy, but at the same time, always be intentional about your future. So this leads me to our next guest in this community. I'll be having someone with a huge following on YouTube that will be joining us this weekend. We'll be talking about the secrets to explosive YouTube growth. So he has over 530,000 subscribers and has been on YouTube for over 7 years or so. And he's doing great, and he will come here to share his YouTube experience and how YouTube has impacted his life, the strategy you use, and what you can also use to grow fast on your channel. So keep it a date this weekend on Saturday, 5 p.m. West African time. Please, I won't want any of you to miss it. So that's it. So what's your opinion? What's your thought about content creators making it large on social media? So do you believe that their lifestyle is real, or are they just faking it? Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and if this video was useful, please just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.